Orlando Pirates is doing way too much now, way too much. Orlando Pirates have released their home kit for the 2026-2027 season. And I'll be honest, listen, I support Kaizer Chiefs. But this kit looks nice. Oh. Black and gold. That's us normally. Oh, gold and black. But yeah, black and gold Orlando Pirates. This kit looks nice. I won't even lie. And you thought that would end there. No, Orlando Pirates. You know that they do too much all the time. They released their away kit. Same time. And the away kit. Fire. The away kit looks amazing. I can't hate this kid. This kid looks nice. But Adidas, you must understand, these are my rivals. I can't be like, nice kid. Now I've just said it, nice kid. Pirates are doing too much. And Adidas, you also adding to all of this. I don't like what I'm seeing. They just finished the treble. They finished all the trophies on the weekend. They took all of them. And then now, kit. We are still digesting the treble. Now then we had to deal with the reels, the marketing, admin team released on Instagram. Now, kit, home and away. This team is doing a lot straight. Us on the other hand,